Bow window installation in Coppell, Texas, offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their home's aesthetic and functionality. Custom bow windows Coppell are designed to fit the specific dimensions and style preferences of your home, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your existing architecture. Bow window contractors Coppell are skilled in providing top-notch bow window services Coppell, ensuring that your installation is handled with precision and care. Energy-efficient bow windows Coppell are an excellent choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that help to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bow window experts Coppell can guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the best energy-efficient bow windows for your needs. Bow window replacement. Coppell is a service that many homeowners in the area seek to improve their home's appearance and functionality. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or upgrading to more energy-efficient options, bow window companies Coppell offer a range of solutions to meet your needs. Bow window specialists Coppell are experienced in handling all aspects of the replacement process, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Vinyl bow windows Coppell are a popular choice for homeowners seeking a low-maintenance and durable window option. These windows are resistant to weathering and require minimal upkeep, making them an ideal choice for busy homeowners. Bow window providers Coppell offer a variety of vinyl bow window styles Coppell to suit any home design, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your aesthetic preferences. Wooden bow windows Coppell provide a classic and timeless look that adds warmth and character to any home. These windows are crafted from high-quality wood materials, offering both beauty and durability. Bow window design Coppell can be customized to match your home's existing style, ensuring a cohesive and harmonious appearance. Bow window enhancements Coppell can further elevate the look of your wooden bow windows, adding unique features and details that reflect your personal taste. Affordable bow windows Coppell are available for homeowners looking to enhance their home's appearance without breaking the bank. Bow window companies Coppell offer a range of budget-friendly options that don't compromise on quality or style. Bow window solutions Coppell are designed to provide maximum value, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. Bow window replacement Coppell is an essential service for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Over time, wear and tear can affect the functionality and appearance of your bow windows. Bow window maintenance. Coppell services can address issues such as leaks, drafts, and damage, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition. Bow window experts Coppell are equipped to handle all types of replacements, providing reliable and efficient solutions. Bow window dimensions Coppell are an important consideration when selecting new windows for your home. Custom bow windows Coppell can be tailored to fit the specific measurements of your space, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance.